I'm excited!
That both Roca and Assis were posing to Rind was, hey, what is the quality of the opponent? But a great start from Rind early. Oh, big left.
Yep.
Oh, big right hand from Bruno. He follows up. Rind manages to recover. What a chin the Pakistani has.
Assis.
Oh, again he lands the left.
My God, Assis.
Oh, again the left land. And a right.
Yeah,
shoots a big double. It's a big pickup.
Never.
Oh, and then it's a right.
Oh,
Assis swarms again. Trying to get some hammer fist.
Oh! And it's round 2, so that's...
Oh, man, those swings, man.
Yeah, we haven't seen him blitz all that much. Good posture from Rind. Surprise. This is, I was going to say, looking for Mark Goddard to stop this one.
Oh!
Big ground and pound from Rind here. Looking to be the first man to stop Bruno Assis.
Well, good luck with that, but it's looking good. But still, we're talking about Assis.
It's a horrible position to get stuck in. It's very hard to maneuver your hips in the corner of the pit there. Well, Bruno Assis backing up, but still trying to come forward. Big knee, good response from Rind. He's got to be careful, willingly going to the ground in these positions.
He's got to watch out, though, because he never fought 5 punches. You don't want to empty your gas tank. Because those punches are not going to knock him out, but they take power away. You pick your shots.
I mean, he's saying that Bruno has got to move, and he tries to turn in on a single leg. I think he's done enough there.
It's been one of the body kicks that he gets underneath.
Yeah, what he's got to do is avoid going to the ground at all costs, really, because Rind's got his number with the posture and the ground and pound.
Knees to the body.
If I was Rind, I'd just look for a takedown here.
He's doing it.
Well, this could be the end here. It's good posture from Rind. Standing, throwing these strikes.
Assis has got to get out of there. He's got to get out of that corner.
It's so hard to move in this corner. Oh, and that's going to do it. Shahzaib Rind is the interim lightweight belt holder.
What the heck? He needs to go back to the drawing board, though, because that cannot happen. Whoa. Wow.
He had to come through some adversity there.
Been tested.
The